Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this diagnostic world. In this video we are in a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's a W212 or also the S212 for the estate version. You can see on the message center here that we have the malfunction and a vehicle with an up pointing arrow inside of it. That indicates there was a problem with the Airmatic air suspension. So to diagnose this fault, we're going to be looking at the iCarSoft MB version 1.0. This is basically going to tell us where the fault is. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. And we're going to go in and select our vehicle here. Obviously we have the other end of this cable here plugged into the diagnostic port, which is just down there. We're going to click into Diagnostics. I'm going to click Bends, and we're going to select our vehicle. So it's a 212. This is the wagon, so this is the estate version. It's a diesel engine, it's a right-hand drive, and it's an E250 CDI. So we're going to click into manual mode, so that allows us to interrogate the system, the exact system which we wish to, and it's ENR, electronic valve control. So we'll click on to that, and then we'll click on to read fault code, and it's giving us two fault codes here. So it's 554313. State current: the right rear level control valve has a malfunction. There is an open circuit. And then we've also got 554013. The left rear valve control valve, sorry, the left rear level control valve has a malfunction. There is an open circuit. So these problems relate to, there's a little valve control unit which is just stored in behind the rear bumper. So what I'll do is I'll go out around the back of the vehicle now and we'll show you where that problem is. Right, so at the back of the vehicle now, underneath the rear bumper, as you can see, sorry about the wind noise. This is the module here. This is where the problem is. So this little valve control unit is at fault. We've replaced this out. We've put a new, well, it's not a recondition. It's a used part, but they're just as good as the normal part. So we put a replacement part in there, and what we've got to do now is go back into the vehicle and obviously erase the trouble codes and get rid of the warning message. Okay, so we're back inside the car now. We've started the engine, but we no longer have the malfunction message on the message sender. But what we do need to do is obviously go in and just reset those fault codes so that they are clear from the system and the ECU knows that the faults are no longer an issue on this vehicle. So we're just selecting our vehicle here. I'm going to go into, again, the electronic level control. The codes will most likely still be there. There we are, two codes there. And what we need to do now is click on clear fault memory. So click OK to that. Clear trouble code completed. Now if the codes have truly been completed, we go back into read fault code, and it should show us that there were no codes there. So there we go, no fault code found. And that is just one of the faults that you can get with the air suspension system. So don't assume that just because you've got the malfunction message on your message sender that is the same kind of issue. You really need to use this tool to find out where in the system that exact issue is. Now, as I say, this is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit directly in the video, the description and in the comments box below this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.